Hello, today we are going to read Zayn and Zoey's book. Subscribe and like and share. And now we'll start reading Zayn and Zoey. Explore the rainforest with Zayn and Zoey. Wake up, kids! A brand new day calls for yet another adventure, said Aunt Anna as she opened the curtains of Zayn and Zoey's rooms. Sunshine streamed in, and Zayn and Zoey woke with a start. Good morning, Aunt Anna, said Zoey pleasantly. Aunt Anna, you promised to take us to the Amazon River today. Can we please leave right now? Let's get some breakfast in our tummies first, shall we? Aunt Anna smiled. Then we can go for a short forest walk. Aunt Anna loved taking Zayn and Zoey for adventures every time they came down to visit her in Brazil. After a delicious breakfast, Zayn and Zoey were packed and ready for an amazing adventure on the Amazon River. You know, kids, the Amazon River runs through the magnificent Amazon rainforest, the largest of its kind in the world, said Aunt Anna as they began their walk in the forest. Why is it called a rainforest? Aunt Anna asked Zayn. Why don't you tell me? Can you guess? Asked Aunt Anna. I know, because it rains a lot here, answered Zoey quickly. Absolutely right. The Amazon rainforest, being a tropical rainforest, is warming, and because of this, it attracts heavy rains every day. Are cooler than tropical forests. Also have plenty of rain, lots of plants and tall trees. But Aunt Anna, why is it so dark here, even though it is daytime? Asked Zoey as she looked around. Well, the trees here are very tall and dense, explained Aunt Anna, pointing upwards. These trees blocked the sunlight at the top itself. That is why barely any sunlight reaches the forest floor. As the deeper, Aunt Anna talked about the different layers of the rainforest. Just like an apartment building where different people live on different floors in a rainforest. Different types of plants and animals are found at different heights. Tallest of trees. There are animals like floors. On top floors there are imagined layer has eagle, bats, butterflies and parrots. Yes. And canopy layer has monkeys, ladybugs, coons, and many insects are found here. And sunlight. Has small dense trees with big leaves and white frogs, snakes and jungles live here. The forest floor. Next video will come on Wednesday. Wait till it.